Hi, we're here at the final stop of line 25. Okay, let's stop. As you can see, I wasn't that prepared. You can see by the position, the lighting, and you can notice that all around the video. The video is 25 frames per second. The resolution is 720p. I wasn't well prepared, so keep that in mind and enjoy the video. The southernmost point of the tram network in Amsterdam. It's a chilly, very early morning of a beautiful Friday. It's 6:45. In a couple of minutes the train will leave back north, and we're gonna visit all of the tram stations here in Amsterdam. While I'm in the tram, let's look together at my route today. Okay, so we start down there at the terminus of line 25. Do not forget line 5 terminus, go all the way here, 24 to the terminus, walk a bit to south, metro, tram 4, then we go to the pipe, down here 12, one stop metro, and then terminus line 3, change to line 14, go here, one stop with the metro, all the way to the 7, back 19, take a bus to 26 all the way to Central Station, change on the 4 to Fredriksplein, visit the small station that you'll see later in the video, go to Leidsplein, back to the pipe, 24 to Dam, walk through the city center, back to Leidsplein, 5 all the way here, take a bus to 3 and all the way down back to the Concertgebouw, take the 2 to the final stop, go to La Veranderen, take a bus to here, which we're back to 1. No, we're not doing that. We take the bus to the temporary terminus of line 17, and with that going all the way here, 17 goes on this route. The 3 we go here, and the temporary line of the 7 starts from here, so we could take the 7 all the way here, go back one stop, 13 to the first stop of 19 that we meet, and we finish 19. Okay, gotta run a bit. We got 6 minutes to catch the train from Stadshart. Made it. Oh my god. I'm not ready for this. It's gonna take a long time. I've arrived, but there's no driver available right now, so I cannot get in. It's really good. 3 to Westergasfabriek. En dan we wait. That's why. Just left the station. Bought some croissants. Right. What's expensive 38. I think that's one right now. Okay, so I think I'm the only one in the tram left. What the hell? This is so weird. Alright, and then over there is my tram. And we obviously go all the way to the back. That's the best seat. Oh, it's a lot sunny. But once again, completely private tram. Got on the bus, one stop. Totally empty. Again. This house. Germany beer, that's right. Yeah. Yes, black floor. Arrived at the terminus of line 19. Now walk a small kilometer that way to the bus stop of bus line 66 and a McDonald's because I need to pee. I've arrived to the McDonald's. Finally, I can have the liberty of being ordering food for lunch because I have nothing on. This will be, by the way, my 4th time eating McDonald's in a week. I did this week. Yeah, help me. I'm back. I cannot see it, but it says it will leave in 2 minutes. Got something to drink, was €1.25 extra. And plus what I ordered. I'm just gonna drink this and watch the scenery because I think that this bus line is pretty beautiful. Who is coming? Whoa. It is bus. Gonna hop on real quick. Arrived in Nyberg 4 hours later, and I have no idea what percentage of stops there are. There's my tram going to Central Station, and that's the tram. And because I'm in chat, I'm in the front. It is a double tram. There are not a lot of people in the other side. I think I will switch to that channel later, but not now. Getting off of this and switching to the more switching. It's done with switching. Arrived to the Central Station. Look at that. Now I think I have quite some time for line 4, which I will take to Friedrichsplein. Change my mind, we're going to the metro. And I've arrived at the metro platforms. Locals arriving. Right at Jokin, Amsterdam metro. Now we go up the stairs. Jokin. That over there is the Dam Square. Lunch. And there's a tram coming with the towers. Friedrichsplein. Okay. Done. And there's another one arriving. But that was my tram. Arrived to Leidsplein. I think I only have to wait 2 minutes for my next train. What? What? But luckily after the vegan tram comes a normal line 12, which I will take to that pie. Just walking one stop further. Walking one stop further to my Heilige Berlijn. Just want to take a picture here. Here it's beautiful. And according to Google Maps, it takes 7 minutes to walk there. It takes 7 minutes for the tram to arrive at the Marie Heilige Berlijn. And I think I'm well over time. Yeah, 4 minutes. Perfect. Now we wait. There goes my tram. And I really want to catch a bus that is there. But the next one is in, I think, 50 minutes. So, tram. Okay, we need to talk about this. I did it. I woke up at 5 o'clock, was at the first stop at 7, and after 9.5 hours later, I have arrived to my very, very final stop. It's okay, so the tram is still over there. And I mean, nine and a half hours. I just spent that much time, like, just visiting tram stops, visiting literal tram stops, and I didn't, you know, oh, look at it.